Omusamaliri owekinembe kye tayari West TV tukakutangerera situte busobolero kwamena ninje Matt Ishaq omyemyatsi ukwawo habwe kinemba hane Kasese district okwanambye nutule hano kwa Verina Gardens kandi tuli n'omukyara asimwe Queen Gonda kandi onu ni lay leader okwa Kasese Catholic Cathedral Parish hano ma Kasese municipality. So tunenayo eribye tukakana kumwatsi wobuyirinde ibo ngabimbembetya abe cathedral babirihiraho mibere kyerangerende bakayirinda obulwere obwebola eribi bukarandauka omba Krista bateba mutira momba. So tunenayo hano atubwire okumyatsi niko bane muyirinda obulwere bono awasijja kutsebu Queen Gonda eribi ukakanako netu. So abandu abana kusamaliyo kwa kinemba bakanze riminya inyo kwa Catholic Cathedral mune muyirinda bute obulwere obwebola.
Wasinja kutsebu abasamaliri akwamena ninja simwe Queen Gonda ngakoro kwa Cathedral nga head of late owe local church our Lady of Assumption local church kwa Cathedral kwa Kasese ya itre ngabalemi nabandi abembembetya umwa church kosi after receiving that communication neriminyinde Ebola yine yabe banika muchiwo che Congo and some cases in Uganda. Okosi twanabi endane tutuka kwa makwamanya the SOPs, the standard operating procedures eseriendera kwa erangirinde tukayirinda obulwere obwo. Songo kwa church, first of all we are sensitizing the Christians. Tunamubabwera omwasya misa in all the masses, we are telling them, we are informing them about the Ebola. So beside ribabwira twanabienda tukatekateka ahebyeri nabirako or the hand washing facilities. So hand washing facilities with clean water and soap and some corners with sanitizer. Yeah, so beside that, of course, we're encouraging our Christians not just wetting the hands. It is not washing.
Okay.
Yeah, unless wamanaba mamaetse awana henirye ke unene sabuni kutye jiki okwa bikatokekana. So ebyo bye tunamurangira nti bine in place erirangira ndi abandu sibale taking a risks eserurara obulwere obu.
So munawute nesho temperature gun?
Yeah, the temperature gun actually we are planning to also put them in place. Sibyeho, but as per now tukinakoleseya maetse erinaba akwabyara. However, much as tunamuna akwabyara, of course, also creating awareness among the Christians eribabwire for any like maybe any suspect neruba reporting.
So hata itunemukani okumwatsi ono social distance mukakorayo mutu abo kuba tunakyasindeke nekindi abandu bakabya hawumerere mu kanisa kandi ne banene social distancing nemu managing ayo mutu.
Social distance of course tunauta aba ushers abakawotikaye okwikali abandu and making sure ndi abandu sibalibya congested kucherikara hawumerere bana hambe neko kwa mibiri babana making sure ndi kwa chitumbi yamabye like in form of a bench ikwa kunikera abandu bake. Then beside that we have enough plastic chairs eshatwabienda tukabye tunamuhire yihya to make sure like everyone is seated freely isukuli some kind of congestion. Beside that, like you heard from our Lord Bishop talking about ngokutukisya saba 3rd June. Of course such a days expecting abantu banene erisya saba aho twabe creating awareness with the guidance of our Lord Bishop in the obule bandu basabire omwasyaloko churches syabo. Sibya bino berunda hati twobose tukaenda twiteri asabire kwa Cathedral. We are encouraging them eyabane basabireyo.
Haliwo ekindu ekyembane ekikekoleke kirekyo erirushaho eribindi muketunga special mass habwe abajulizi. Haliho any kind of gathering that will be special like like the way we saw mu Lyatanga omwa Kasese Municipality House abantu bamasaho merere ni banene.
No, it's not there. It's not there. We shall pray as usual ngokutukana saba ebindebiro omwasya churches yetu omwasya kelezia the way we go and pray like any other Sunday. Of course we dedicate that day ketu namusaberera bomuba bwirire indi nobulwero buhweho ngumbe subutasarandakano mabandu situbata seiko kubandu nabalwera ngumbe barama. So basically we are praying over this, and also ebintu byari windi tukira hamba gatherings or where like making people like moving in crowds ebyo tunamutryingera ngende tukabya avoidinga.
Itume munzerera ekinywa kyawe kyo muhindo kwa bandu abe Kasese.
Wasinja kutsibu okwa bandu abe Kasese ngasaba nti let us all observe the SOPs, the standard operating procedures esyatwa bihereribwa ne Ministry of Health. Tuleke kwa mechi twaralayitire ngokuba abetubwera ngumbe twanabo kubyara. Let us all always wash hands tunabo kubyara kandi butsiri eri kwa mere naba. Let us make sure itwakolesya amaetse wana henirye ke tunabe omwa sabuni oyiwanga toke jik ina nabo kwa jik. Kandi nekindi okwa banyakasese ngana mutasi abasaba ahatwa omundu oyiwanga rangira any suspect, let us report. Nitwa reportinga omundu oyo nukunarangira ndana amatungo buwatikibwa omweraba omwa spatara. So let us not take it for granted. Itobo situminye inde obulwere obwebola bwabebanika, but we thank God bwamabya bwamabaneka esituli twesikoruendo neither windi twamabitwa bikenge namugongoleke. We are also like itunomwa chindo ndi tuka celebrating. We thank God and we believe in the Nyamuhanga you abiwa chikanganirye. He's still in control and he's going to help us to overcome it. Tuleki kwa buba twikiriraye kandi tubye tunaweterikirira ndi obulwere obunabo obukehwaho nabandu abalwere bakerama. Wasinje kutsibu
Kale wasinje weitu omusamaliri owekinemba ono arwe asimwe kunigonda kandi ni head of light halia okwa Kasese Catholic Cathedral hano Makasese Municipality. So turwe tukakanaya okumyatsi yobwirinde obulwere buno bwebola obunemurandauka hano mu Uganda netwali ha mano Makasese hano. So tukarangira nimibere ibonga bembemetya banemuhiraho erangerinde abantu sibale hamba wabuno obulwere. Wasinja kutsibu okwamena ninje Mate Ishak munyamyatsi ukwawo habo Kinemba hano Kasese district.